Are you a proud owner of the Mella Smart Mushroom Fruiting Chamber? But you live in a place where the air is very dry, and no matter how hard you crank that humidity knob up to 10, you just can't seem to get those super moist growing conditions. Well, finally, some good news. Introducing the Mella Humidity Booster from First Build. Tell dry air to take a hike as you use supersonic technology to blast those sweet, sweet water molecules into your grow chamber. 80% relative humidity not good enough? Try 90%, 100%, 200%. Absolute humidity? More like unlimited humidity. Laugh in the face of science as you create conditions modern meteorology has deemed impossible. Break the laws of God and man as your grow chamber reaches a state of moisture outside the realm of theoretical physics. All so you can finally grow that small box of pink oysters you've been convincing yourself you'll get around to. The Mella Humidity Booster, only from First Build.
None of these statements have been verified by anyone and will not hold up in court of law or Thunder Dome Lake judgment.
Hey guys, I'm Danny, and today we're talking about our Mella Humidity Booster. If you checked out our last video, we talked about where this came from, why we're doing it, to help get mushroom growers their humidity up to like 95, maybe even 100%. We heard feedback from you guys saying that that's what you wanted, so this is our solution for that. So the humidity booster will actually include a fan in addition to the humidity booster itself. It just replaces your existing fan bracket. So what that means is it should be super simple to install. You just unplug your current fan bracket, take it off of the shoulder bolts, and put your new one on and plug it back in, and everything will work exactly as expected. So one of the cool things about the humidity booster is both the fan and the ultrasonic humidifier will run in tandem, which is great because that means that while we're humidifying with the ultrasonic humidifier, we're also humidifying with the existing wick and the fan in your original Mella system. And that's a great redundancy because if for whatever reason your ultrasonic humidifier stops working, you still have your backup wick and the original fan that are going to maintain the humidity to make sure that nothing happens to your grow. At this point, we're ready to look for beta testers. If you're interested in beta testing the humidity booster, let us know. We're looking for people that have either lived in very dry climates that struggle to get up to humidity, or people that want to fruit relatively small amounts of substrate that don't have a lot of moisture, where 85% may not be enough. Let us know, because we're going to be choosing beta testers soon. Once we wrap up beta testing and we incorporate everybody's feedback into the final production design, they'll be available for purchase on our website, firstbuild.com. So keep a lookout for those beta test applications. We'll be coming out with them soon. And in the meantime, we're going to keep working on it. Thanks for watching.